equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a vacuum cleaner. First, unplug your Thermomix TM5. This is crucial for safety. Next, remove the base screws using your screwdriver. Keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base off. Now, inspect the internal components. Look for any loose connections or signs of wear. A visual check can save you time and money. If you notice any issues, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. Use the soft cloth to clean any dust or debris inside. A clean machine runs better. If you have a vacuum, use it to remove any stubborn particles. After cleaning, reassemble the base. Replace the screws securely. Remember, a tight fit is essential for proper function. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Plus, you'll receive a quote before repair. No calls, no travel, just a hassle-free service. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.